Welcome to MBA CAT Foundation Level 1 for first-year students. After the easy questions covering basic concepts, this intermediate level with medium difficulty should require students to apply two or more number system concept together, just like early CAT questions. With difficulty level medium, we start with question 1 under the topic number system. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 2, 3, and 5? A. 420. B. 435. C. 525. D. 632. Electric light bulb. Think before you answer. Heavy check mark. Apply the divisibility rules one by one. Divisible by 2, last digit should be even. Divisible by 3, sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Divisible by 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. Pause the video for 15 seconds and choose the correct answer. Trophy medium level tip. Don't calculate, use logical elimination. The correct answer is option A, 420. The question asks us to find the number that is divisible by 2, 3, and 5. Let's solve it one step at a time. Step 1. Check divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. 420 ends with 0, so it is divisible by 2. 435 ends with 5, so it is not divisible by 2. 525 also ends with 5, so it is not divisible by 2. 632 ends with 2, so it is divisible by 2. After the first step, only 420 and 632 remain. Step 2. Check divisibility by 3. Now add the digits. 4, 420. The digit sum is 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 6. Since 6 is divisible by 3, 420 passes this test. 4, 632. The digit sum is 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. Since 11 is not divisible by 3, 632 is eliminated. Step 3. Check divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. 420 ends in 0, so it is also divisible by 5. Therefore, 420 satisfies all three divisibility rules. So, the correct answer is option A, 420. Medium White Star Expert CAT Tip. In the CAT exam, don't check three divisibility rules separately unless you have to. Instead, remember that the LCM of 2, 3, and 5 is 30. So, a number divisible by 2, 3, and 5 is automatically divisible by 30. To verify this quickly, the number should end in 0, satisfying divisibility by 2 and 5. The sum of its digits should be divisible by 3. Using this shortcut helps you eliminate options quickly and saves valuable time during the exam. Excellent work. Keep practicing one question every day, and you'll build a strong CAT foundation step by step. Question 2. Least common multiple, or LCM. What is the least common multiple of 18 and 24? Your options are option A, 48, option B, 60, option C, 72, option D, 96. Remember, the LCM is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of both given numbers. Think about the prime factorization method. Express each number as a product of prime factors and choose the highest power of each prime number. Pause the video for 15 seconds, solve the question on your own, and then continue to check the solution. Let's check the correct answer together. The correct answer is option C, 72. Let's solve the question step by step using the prime factorization method, which is the fastest and most reliable approach for CAT. Step 1. Write the prime factorization. First, express each number as a product of prime factors. 18 is equal to 2 times 3 squared. 24 equals 2 cubed times 3. Now we can easily compare the powers of each prime number. Step 2. Choose the highest power of each prime factor. For the prime number 2, The highest power is 2 cubed, which comes from 24. For the prime number 3, the highest power is 3 squared, which comes from 18. When finding the LCM, always take the highest power of every prime factor appearing in either number. Step 3. Calculate the LCM. Now multiply these highest powers together. LCM equals 2 cubed times 3 squared. That is, 8 times 9 is equal to 72. Therefore, the least common multiple of 18 and 24 is 72. So, option C is the correct answer. Medium white star expert cat tip. For small numbers, you can list multiples to find the LCM. But in the CAT exam, numbers are often much larger. In those cases, prime factorization is the quickest and most accurate method. A simple rule to remember is, for LCM, choose the highest powers of the prime factors. For HCF, choose the lowest common powers of the prime factors. Keeping this difference in mind will help you solve number system questions faster and with greater confidence. Excellent work! Let's continue building your CAT foundation with the next medium-level challenge. Question 3. Number system, remainders. A number leaves a remainder of 5 when divided by 7 and a remainder of 3 when divided by 5. What will be the remainder when the same number is divided by 35? Your options are: Option A, 12. Option B, 18. Option C, 23. Option D, 33. Don't rush into calculations. First, understand what the two remainder conditions tell you, and then identify the number that satisfies both of them. Pause the video for 15 seconds, think carefully, and select your answer before watching the solution. Remember, CAT is not about lengthy calculations. It rewards logical thinking and smart problem solving. Let's work through this interesting remainder problem together. The correct answer is option D, 33. Let's understand why. We are told that a number leaves a remainder of 5 when divided by 7 and a remainder of 3 when divided by 5. Our goal is to determine the remainder when this same number is divided by 35. Step 1. Understand the first condition. If a number leaves a remainder of 5 when divided by 7, then the possible numbers are 5, 12, 19, 26, 33, 40, 47, and so on. Notice that each number is 7 more than the previous one. Step 2. Apply the second condition. Now let's check which of these numbers leaves a remainder of 3 when divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 leaves remainder 0.12 divided by 5 leaves remainder 2.19 divided by 5 leaves remainder 4.26 divided by 5 leaves remainder 1.33 divided by 5 leaves remainder 3. That's exactly what we need. So, the smallest number satisfying both conditions is 33. Step 3. Find the remainder when divided by 35. Since 33 is smaller than 35, dividing 33 by 35 gives a quotient of 0 and a remainder of 33. Therefore, the required remainder is 33. So, option D is the correct answer. Medium white star expert cat tip. Whenever you see two remainder conditions, don't immediately think you need a complicated formula. If the numbers are small, simply list the numbers that satisfy one condition and then test the second condition. It's often the quickest and most reliable approach. As you progress to higher CAT levels, you'll learn the Chinese remainder theorem, which solves these problems more efficiently for larger numbers. But building this logical intuition first is far more important. Great job! You're now developing the reasoning skills that CAT is designed to test. Keep practicing one question every day, and your confidence will grow steadily.